Hey friends, waiting over here at the Ram Man ink. Don't forget the ink. So we're taking care of a couple of boosters today. We redid this one for RT Restorations. They do a lot of high-end Mopars. They know what they're doing over there. We've got this Midland Ross. It turned out really well. Plating is an art. How many grams of this and grams of that and the swirl mixture. But this unit came out very nice. Don't forget to chase your threads on these plated ones. Clean them up a little bit. This booster ended up turning out really well. It is extremely smooth. It's got really good guts in it. Rebounds well. Holds a reserve well. It just works well. I don't know how else to say it. So, we'll give us a little test here. So, there is no way that I can depress this. It's just too damn hard. Until we put some vacuum on it, and then it becomes easy and very smooth. This just with the palm of my hand. Now we'll use my thumb. You see, it rebounds well. Really well. Now, it ought to have reserve capacity for 2 brakes, emergencies. Disconnect the vacuum source, simulating a motor shutdown. 80 miles an hour and it just shuts the hell off. And now you got to come to a stop. And you praying to God that you have some power assist. The can on this one is really tight, holds vacuum well. They were not designed to hold vacuum indefinitely. Not going to the moon and not in outer space. And don't have people in here dependent. So, there's 1. There's 2. And she's done. There you go, my friends. RT Restorations Inc. Booster is on the way, guys. Enjoy. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Moparing.